Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. In today's episode of What's on the Porch we have Margot Elena. Why, you say? Well, Instagram. All kidding aside, I actually like to try out new boxes just to see if I like them, and from what I understand, this is a fairly bougie box, or it should be, because I paid $66 for this puppy. And I have not seen anybody unbox the December box, the winter box, because I believe these are seasonal. They're 3 or 4 times a year. But I have watched a few people unbox them, and they seem really nice, so I wanted to give it a try at least one time. So the box says she has arrived. It's a very heavy box. The inside of it says all things nice, and it is subscription box number 17. And there's a little card that says all things nice. I'm guessing that that is the theme for the winter 2021 box. And it has a list of what's in it, and it says the total value of the box is $200. I'm not going to look too much at the list because I kind of want to be surprised. Packaged very nicely. Ooh. Lord, I almost set the paper on fire because I got a candle over there in front of me. I'm a candle girl. I got candles everywhere. So they have everything nicely individually wrapped. So we have this little box here. This is crushed and distilled TokyoMilk, and it says let them eat cake, sugar cane, coconut milk, vanilla, orchid, and white musk. Made in Denver, Colorado. Well, how about that? I do not know what TokyoMilk is. Do y'all know what TokyoMilk is? And of course it's got a seal on it. Okay, well I'm assuming that this is a lotion because I opened it. I don't see anything on their website that tells me what this particular, it's got a number on it. I may have to look that up. And I don't see it listed on here, although they have Assorted Petite Treat Trio. So I'm guessing it's that, and maybe these two go along with that for $25.50. So let's do these. This is Lolia Breathe Peony and White Lily Shea Butter Hand Cream. So maybe that's what that little thing of TokyoMilk is hand cream. And there's the packaging, and it's in one of those metal tubes. I do not like the metal tubes. And it is sealed. You have to punch it. But they didn't give you anything to punch it with, so. Oh, I have a toothpick. I'm about to make a mess. Yep, that smells really good. And then the next one is Relax, and it is lavender and honey. Same kind of tube, and then it has the metal. So let's grab the trusty toothpick again. I have to smell stuff, y'all. Where am I going to put this one? Oh, that smells good too. Off to a good start with the bougie. Oh my gosh, I hate these tubes. With the bougie hand lotions that smell really good. That's nice. And then we have more TokyoMilk that has an ostrich on it. This is the finest perfume soap. This as well is made in Denver. So TokyoMilk.com. I'm guessing all of that is made in Denver. I love the packaging with the ostrich. It smells really good. It says it's absolutely fabulous. I don't see... It says it's made in France. what the flavor is. Maybe it says it on the card. Assorted Finest Perfume Soap. It's $10. I love handmade bar soap. That's pretty much all I use. Yeah, that smells really good. I'm excited to use that. And then I have a turnip. This is Rich Shea Butter Hand Cream. More hand cream. Sugar, beet, and blossom. The Cottage Greenhouse. Beet is ruby rich in nature's nourishers. It's supposed to help hydrate and lock in moisture. Your skin feels nurtured and velvety smooth. No parabens, gluten-free, never animal tested. This as well is made in the USA in Denver. I'm liking all of this made in the USA stuff. What is this? The Cottage Greenhouse. Sugar Beet and Blossom Hand Cream is $26. Very bougie packaging. Oh. It's another one of those tubes. I have paint in these tubes and they are a pain in the you-know-what. Well, I gotta smell it, y'all. And if you're going to give us that, why doesn't it have the little thing on the top so that you can punch a hole in it? Well, it's nice and thick. The caps on these are really hard to get back on. It's one of the reasons that I don't like them. And it's hard to get everything out of this metal tube. I am going to smell like a French call girl. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells so good. Aren't a lot of perfumes supposed to be bad for you? Am I gonna die? I don't know. Alright. Everything else is wrapped except for these cute little cards. You know what this, dearest subscriber, we have some news to share. Oh, so I was supposed to get a Lolia Mini Wash Luminary in the box. And they couldn't put that in there, and so that's why I got the hand creams. Alrighty. So then I got these little cards. Look at how cute they are. These are TokyoMilk as well. I love that one. Look at how pretty that is. Let's see what these are. Drama Queen, Whoopsie Daisy, and Girl Boss signature stationery greeting cards. $16.50. Like I said, it's a bougie box. Those are really pretty though. Alright, and then we have this. I'm determined to catch the place on fire. So this is in a bag in case it leaks, and it has a shrink wrap on it. And this is, the labels on there crooked, the Cottage Greenhouse, Carrot, and Neroli Moisture Rich Shower Oil and Body Wash. Well, you know I gotta smell this too. That smells okay. So let's see, look at the carrot, isn't that cute? Carrot and Neroli Body Wash is $23. So far I'm keeping everything. Then we have this. I'm assuming that this is Perfume. This is TokyoMilk as well. Radiant Gem, Lemon Balm, Amber, White Daphne Musk. Not white, winter. And this is $42. Wow. That smells really good. That's a really pretty bottle. It has embossed TokyoMilk with the, I'm guessing that's their logo on the side there. And then in the back, there's a crystal. Just a picture of a crystal. Very cute bottle of perfume. And then we have this. That's in the bag as well. This is not one of those metal tubes. This is Library of Flowers Forget-Me-Not Shower Gel. It even has the batch number on it. And all the little woodland creatures. Are you focusing? Thank you. This retails for $23. That's a fairly big tube for $23, I think. And it's safety sealed, but oh, that smells really good too. Well, if nothing else, I sure am going to smell good. And the last item, I'm guessing this is the body butter. Carrot and Neroli body butter from the Cottage greenhouse. I like how they had everything wrapped. Comes in a nice heavy jar. Carrot and Neroli whipped body butter. That's what it looks like. It's nice and thick, obviously. It has a very interesting smell. Just that carrot and neroli just has a very odd smell to it. But everything was made in the USA in Denver, which is pretty cool. I actually like that. I'm just not all that crazy about the price of the box. I think the box is kind of high, which, I mean, you know, I wanted to experience it, but I just feel like the box is kind of pricey for a $200 value because, you know, some of my BoxyCharm boxes that I pay $35 for is close to 300 bucks. So there we go, my first Margot Elena bougie box. Thank you so much for spending some time with me to watch me open my bougie box. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It sure does help out my channel and it would make my day. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, how about carrots and neroli? Is that good for fishing? Can you make some stink bait out of this? It has kind of a weird smell to it. I don't know, the catfish might like it. Do they like carrots? I don't know. I'll bring it with me when I come see you in January, okay? Mama loves you, boo.